Hey everyone, I wanted to film it here, but we'll go inside. I have a couple of boxes to unbox, and if we consider the Cybertruck that I did the thing, those boxes are going to be about doing a mini thing. Let's go inside because we are losing the daylight very quickly in the winter. Today we have here two boxes. One is smaller, one is bigger, but both are from Tesla. One of them contains a Model Y, another one contains a Cybertruck diecast 1:18 ratio, and I'm really curious to unpack these two things. So let's start, I guess, with the small one. Okay. And this part says top, and this is the front, so let's open it. It's interesting, it has a little sucker here to open the doors if you need it. I guess I will use my nails anyway, but I'll be very careful. Oh yeah, just look at this thing. It is beautiful, really amazing. The color represents the color of the real car pretty well, I would say. Yeah, it's just a Model Y. You can open the trunk like so. And I believe you can open the front as well. Oh yeah. You can open it and it stays open, and the front just closes because of the gravity, I guess. The driver's door and the passenger door can be opened easily. For the rear doors you need to use this little thing, because I tried to use my nail and it didn't work for me for some reason. I don't know, maybe something wrong with my nails or with me in general, but I mean, like, this thing is here for a reason. So you just do this and open the door, and the door is open. And this is a Model Y, ladies and gentlemen. It looks amazing, and the details inside are really great. Yeah, I was hoping that probably the seats are soft, but they're not. It's plastic, but still, they look pretty real. And the inside of this car is so detailed as well. I feel a little bit happier today, really, because I see this thing and I know that the copy of this thing is just parked in front of my house. It's amazing. Okay, now it's a big box and it's supposedly a Cybertruck. I hope, at least. The box is a little bit scuffed, don't pay too much attention. It's probably because of the Canada Post was on a strike and they decided to strike the box. It's going to be pretty much the same idea, I believe, yeah. Pretty much the same package here. Okay. This thing is definitely a little bit bigger. Oh wow. And it's a lot of stickers on the Cybertruck. Let me get rid of them real quick. Okay, I think all stickers are off, and I think that they have, yeah, there is another box inside of the bed of the truck. And there should be a sucker. This is actually funny. It is empty. What the hell? What? I got a defective Cybertruck without a sucker? Alright, anyway. Okay, this is a Cybertruck and it's definitely bigger than the Model Y diecast. You can open here the bed and remove the tonneau from the back like so. It's not going into the truck because, well, it's just a model, right? But it looks pretty cool. It's interesting that the bed looks like it's been made of metal, while the final version of the Cybertruck has it in black. So I'll put the tonneau back because it looks cooler with the tonneau back on. I can see from here that it has a yoke. Let me open the doors here. And it's way easier to open these doors than the Model Y doors because it's more angular shaped than the Model Y, and it's easier to open the doors this way. So you cannot open the frunk though, which is unfortunate. And this is a diecast of the prototype of the Cybertruck. It's not a diecast of the final version. This one has a yoke, and the central console is definitely different from what we are having right now, although it's something in between. So it's not one-to-one like the Model Y diecast, but it is pretty cool to have this. Well, it's an official thing, it's made of metal, and it's pretty sturdy, I would say. It looks pretty great. Okay, so this is a Cybertruck and this is a Model Y, and these are two things side by side. And you can have an idea what difference in between of these two vehicles is, and I would say it's pretty real, yes. So Cybertruck is significantly bigger than the Model Y, and yeah, it shows. I'm planning to put these two vehicles somewhere in my interior. These are great models, very quality products, I think. They're different, but I love these vehicles a lot. So yeah. So this is it. This is the video. I genuinely hope that you enjoyed it, and thank you for your time.